So here's the next task. It's called receipt, and it's essentially asked you to enter the cost of various items. It then creates an itemised receipt. So it outputs the cost of each separate item, then it outputs the total cost, and then it also outputs the date as well. Okay, this is when it was initially created there, and obviously I've changed it to this year. Okay, so if we go onto the actual program itself, okay, put a name on it as per normal, and then we'll call this one receipt. So it's just asking for specific items. So each item is going to be a separate variable. So it's asking for jacket, shoes and trousers. So we need to initialize these. So we're going to go jacket, and it might have a decimal point in it. So we'll just initialize it to a floating point number. Same with shoes, trousers, and obviously we're going to add all of these up together. So for that, you're going to have a total. So that's us declared them, that's declaring them, and that's initialising them just to be set to all to be 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask for the cost of the jacket. So I'm just going to double click, Control C and Control V. Okay, so that's going to be float, and then input. Please enter, if I can spell it, enter cost of jacket. Okay, so there's going to be 2 open brackets and 2 closed brackets. I'm just going to highlight the whole lot. I'm going to paste it twice. And then shoe, please enter cost of shoe, and trouser, double click. If you double click the word, it just highlights, even in Word, it just highlights the whole word. Okay, so that's trousers. We're then going to process it, so we're going to go total equals jacket plus shoe. Probably should be shoes really. So that's shoe plus trouser, or trousers even. Okay. Right, so that's us got our values. We've added it together for total. We just then need to output it. Okay, so we're just going to go print. Now if you want to output a sentence, just put it in quotes. Print cost, jacket costs, and then how much the jacket cost, and that's held in the variable called jacket. Okay, so I'll output the words jacket costs and then whatever price you've typed in. Now I'm just going to highlight this, I'm going to paste it. So we're then going to go call it shoe and call it trousers, and we'll just have total there. Okay, so shoes cost trousers cost and total. And we're going to then also output the date. So I'll just say 14th May 2022. I think I've missed one thing out. So if we look, they want to output big woods. So I'll just output that as well. Get back to the program. Print. Big wood store. Now, I probably don't even need to say costs. I want to make it as closely like what they're actually asking. So if I press F5 to run it, press OK, I'll have to move this in. Please enter costs. Okay, I'll just make up. Okay, cost a jacket. See how there's a wee error there. Cost of trousers. Okay, so the error, and that's not totaled it correctly either. So the error is that total should be down here. Let's run it again. 13, yeah. Okay, so the total's fine. The only bit that's not working, it's just, I've got the shoe, but I've forgotten to change that to shoe. Okay, so declare initialize variables, get the values, add them together, and then output it. And that's that one done and dusted.